Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to draw or write on an assignment. Click on your Assignments tab and find the assignment you want to do. Click on the Add a Response button to start adding your response. After you read your paper and you're ready to start writing, you can look down here to see all of the tools. This is the pencil, this is the pen, this is the marker, and this is the fancy pen. Let's use the pencil. This is the pencil, this is the pen, this is the marker, and this is the fancy pen. Let's use the pencil. I am going to circle my answer. If I wanted to go to the next page, I can. Just click on it. You can choose which color, pencil, or marker you want to use. If you make a mistake, you can click on the eraser button. When you click on the eraser, you can choose which size eraser you need. Or you can just erase all of your drawing. When you're writing, you might need a thicker pencil or pen. If you tap the pencil or pen button, you can choose which size pencil or pen you want. That gives me a thicker line. That gives me a really thick line. Sometimes it's kind of hard writing with the pencil. You might want to type your answer. Click on the T to open up a text box. You can move the text box around where you need to go. You can make it bigger by pinching out or smaller by pinching in with 2 fingers. You can also change the style so that it's easier to see, or the color. That's how you write or type on an assignment in Seesaw.